While CES used to be more about consumer gadgets and ever smaller, thinner, more powerful devices, the show has increasingly moved more down the road towards automotive tech. We navigated the show floor to talk to vendors about the next generation of high-tech in cars.
But there is one more thing which really thrills me personally. It starts to be an automotive show. So where digital consumer is great, wireless is great, now suddenly all seems to converge together in automotive.
These are the 4 door handles that we managed to put here. And you can see this is the key, designed fully at maximum. So here, if I get close to the car, I press the door handle, you can see it lets me into the car.
Trying to actually keep the aesthetic of the Bentley, but do something that shows off some of the cool technology. This is a huge 17-inch TI DLP screen, so it's a digital light projection screen. It's got control knobs mounted directly on it. It's also got a sense of pre-touch, so when you get your hand close, it'll actually be able to sense that and add the controls so that you're not always having some of those things on the screen as a distraction.
Reassuringly, car OEMs seem to be making safety their top priority, with everything from eye tracking to automatic brakes.
This includes 4 cameras positioned on all sides of the car. So this is implemented using our SerDes technology, where a camera then receives the information, it's transmitted, serialized, and transmitted up to a processor, where it's deserialized, given to the processor, and then the processor, in this case, de-warps all the information and shows this as if somebody were sitting a few meters above the car.
So the Mobileye camera is constantly looking at the road. We think of it as a third person in the car, or a third eye in the car, watching the road consistently at 15 frames per second. And while it's doing that, it's identifying objects that are out there. It's identifying vehicles, pedestrians. It's identifying lane markers, yield signs, speed limit signs. And it can actually give you a warning if you're going over the speed limit.
It will be connected to other cars, so literally cars can talk to each other, they can warn each other of any hazards, but they can also talk to infrastructure.
We use 2 stereo cameras that are doing a 3-dimensional forward-looking view, and that actually serves 2 functions. It helps with our lane keeping assist system that prevents the driver from accidentally wandering out of his lane, but it also helps with pedestrian detection. The key for Lexus in the development of this advanced safety research vehicle is to learn more about autonomous capabilities, how we can build autonomous capabilities into the vehicle.
It's clear that the direction these safety features are driving towards is a fully autonomous car experience, though many vendors weren't keen to comment.
Trying to get the car makers to enable a fast time to market to get all of the features that customers want in the vehicle, but to do that in a safe way.
I sort of stay away from those questions.
Off the record, however, we're told autonomous cars may already be among us.
Our goal here is not autonomous vehicles. What we're trying to do is to make a self-driving car to add extra layers of safety to what the driver is already doing.
Google and a number of companies are working on autonomous vehicles. They're already out there. They're driving around during the experiment time.
But will people be willing to give up the freedom of the road and the need for speed? Maybe not. But personally, I'm excited for the day when we can all put road fatalities and accidents safely in our rearview mirror. This is Sylvie Barak from CES.